It's time for your daily crypto update with Framework Fortune Crypto. I'm your host Ben. Now let's dive in. Bitcoin pretty much doing exactly what I thought it was going to, as I said last night, and holding up this $33,000 area of support. No big move out of it yet. It does have the 20 and the 50 right here kind of together at this 34,000. So tonight I would like to see it break that 34,000 and start pushing up to that 35,000 again. Ethereum getting back above that 50-day and the 20-day with this nice little pop. 2040 held up as some support right across there. Currently in the middle of these three indicators. If we can see Ethereum break this 100-day, then I think we'll easily see it back up to 2281 to make a new high over this other high. Cardano getting a little wonky there towards the tip of this consolidation, but it does seem to be breaking out above it as it is crossing that $1.37 area, testing the 140. The 200 is at 142. So we're just a couple of cents away from Cardano being bullish on the 4-hour chart. Today's top gainer is Fourth. It had made a big run about 5 days ago, coming back down, but here today popping over the EMAs and even all the way up over the 200 EMA. It currently is pulled back down to the 200 EMA, testing it. It may not hold, so it may have to come back down to the 16 area, but if it does hold, then expect another leg up, probably to these same new highs to this 25 area. Polygon MATIC, not able to break over any of this resistance yet. We've got that downtrend resistance. We've got this 115 resistance, and we got the 20-day at 110 and the 50-day at 113. And then after that, we've got the 100-day at 120. So this is a lot of resistance that MATIC's got to get through. And then even at 130, the 200-day is there. So a whole bunch of ceilings above this. MATIC's going to need some real big buying volume to pop through all of this resistance. But if it does, it will be back bullish, which means we could see a pretty big run out of it. Atom holding up nicely. Sold down to that 50, but broke right back above it, above all three EMAs there, with room all the way up to that 1250 to the 200-day. I would expect to see Atom get up to that pretty easily. Now, whether it'll break or not, I don't know. It didn't break back here. We'll need to see big buying volume to continue on to push it over, and then for it to hold that 200-day EMA as support. Ethereum Classic coming back down to the strong support. I mean, we got two EMAs here, and it's $50 even, so an even whole number. Currently in a consolidation, almost a U-shape or maybe a cup and handle. But if it can start to curl back up and break above that 200-day, then I think we'll see Ethereum Classic up to that $63 area again for another test to move up. If it falls back down, I'd be very surprised to see it below 50. So Shiba Inu broke this downtrend and is currently riding right across the 20-day, getting held up a little bit, but testing the 20-day. A nice buying volume push could get Shiba back on track, but I mean, still, you've got the 100 crossing over the 200 now. The EMAs are where they're supposed to be, very close to that breakout. Cgld got a nice pop off of the support down here, pushing all the way up to 375, and I actually did swing this. You can see right here where I bought in at 324 and 313. Got all the way up to that 375. I didn't lock in yet. I still think Cgld has some more in it. Even if it does drop some, it'll drop to like 330 where the 20-day is, and then probably have another pop. It's been getting buying volume pretty consistently the last week and a half, so I think it's going to continue this run. So we don't really have any crazy moves out of anything besides Cgld. KNC is one to keep on watch, as it popped up here 2 or 3 days ago and is now starting to curl back up. If it can break back above the 100-day at 155, it's got room up to 175. And then if it can break that, room all the way up to So that's one to keep on watch. AMP very close to cracking this support. Like I said, if that support cracks, we're going to go back down to 5 cents. It still has a chance to hold up, but getting very, very close to cracking. StormX holding above that 200-day moving average. 50 is about to cross the 100. The 20 is getting real close to the 200, and we're just consolidating right there above that 200. So I think now that StormX is back above 2, it's going to continue its run, and you can see it's back above this trend line that it was on before the big old crash. So this last drop was nowhere near as bad as the other drops. It looks like a lot of the coins are going to be holding support, at least the ones that I've been covering, and should be moving up some. Some of the coins do look like they could go bearish, so we kind of got a mixed crypto market right now. But with Bitcoin and Ethereum trying to move back up, we could see that push happen this weekend because the stock market is closed. It closed early today and will be closed on Monday. So a lot of money is going to be sitting around, and I could see that money coming into the crypto market just for the weekend, and we get some nice pushes up. Or everybody's going to be partying all weekend, and there's going to be very little volume in the crypto markets, and we're not going to see very much movement at all. Maybe a little downtrend here, maybe a little pop there. One of the two is going to happen, but we will see as we dive into it. But I think we'll have a better indicator of which direction the overall crypto markets are going by the end of the night. So if there's any coins that I'm not currently covering that you would like me to cover, leave them in the comments below and let me know your thoughts on the coins I am covering in the overall direction of the crypto market. Appreciate everybody joining me as always. Stay safe out there. Until next time.